Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia Maria and I share planning and organizational videos plus so much more. Today's video is going to be a sticker haul featuring 5 shops, 3 of which I have never featured on the channel before. Be sure to check out the description box if you would like links to these shops, any coupon codes I may have. Plus, I have lots of planning playlists for inspiration and how I put my stickers to use. So be sure to check that out. And I would love to chat with you guys in the comments on any shops that you recommend. Plus, if you have any of these shops in your stash. Let's get into the haul. Okay, so starting off with Scribble Prints Co. It's a shop that's been around for a while. I've never purchased from her shop, but I did end up getting a Misfit sticker bag. And then I purchased the freebies as well. And then instead of getting the kits, I got the add-ons, which I'm going to then turn into kits. Well, turn into a spread. And one thing about Scribble Prints Co. is that the stickers are printed on glossy paper. So if that's not your thing, that's not your thing. So I don't know if this was the freebie or what, but I'm going to just show it to you. This way, I think this might be the Misfit. The Misfit bag. But first we have this little sampler here. Laundry, payday, date night, planning time. Then we have this, which will go with one of the add-ons that I already purchased. Then we have this trio here. And the format of her kits, you'll get full boxes and then you'll get half boxes, these square boxes, checklists, icons, and then some of these half and full, well, not half boxes, half and quarter boxes. And then this sheet I love because it has a mix of icons and then the checklist. I like to use the checklist for TV shows and whatnot. Then we have this one, same kind of format. Some quarter boxes, and these are good to use as like blocks to mark between my spreads, kind of like washi strips, and then I could add on other accent stickers I have. And this one, more quarter boxes, like the icon could go here. And then I have this Halloween one, which I have a Halloween kit coming from another shop. So this will coordinate with that. And then I have these, which I wasn't going to keep this sheet, but I have all of these icons that I can, of course, cover. So I will keep it. Then what do we have in here? What do we have? Okay, we have some more of these half boxes and quarter boxes with the foil, and then another little sheet here. This one has a mix of laundry, Starbucks, bath, barbecue, play date, sleep in, meal prep, game night, day off, etc., etc. And then these are the add-ons that I decided to go with. So these are from particular kits. I got the Dreamland add-on, Magic Kingdom add-on, the Summer Forever add-on, and the Shopping Spree. So this is the Shopping Spree one. And this is the Magic Kingdom one here. And then Summer Forever and Dreamland. I believe this is Summer Forever and Dreamland. And then no, this might be Summer Forever. I have it linked in the description box. Okay, so these 3 here, I would pair together. I could even put these 2 together, but this one's giving me a whole different vibe. And I'm going to use what I want, and then I'm going to start compiling a pile of stickers that I will then be giving away. So stay tuned for that. So that's all that I got from Scribble Prints Co. Alright, moving on, we have Crafting by the Pound. I've already started to use these stickers, and these, she was selling grab bags, and I purchased 2, but it was buy one get one free, so I got 4 grab bags. So these were all miscellaneous stickers. So I have this one with the little weather, some number stickers. See, I've already started using that one. A ton of weekend banners. Then I have these, which I'm going to be adding to the giveaway pile. These are car related. Then we have YouTube session, always comes in handy. The social media one, months of the year. Oh, here's another YouTube session. Some of the sticker sheets were duplicates, and it was about 10 sticker sheets. It was quite a bit in each bag. I don't quite remember. And then we have this week's stickers and then weekly. So these are all functional for me. And then all of these here. Okay, I've used that. That one. I love the neutral ones. So I think I'm going to add a weekend banner to the giveaway pile. And this takes me back to like old school planner stickers, how the weekend banners were always shaped like this. And then the tea prep I'm also going to be putting in the giveaway pile. I'm trying to keep what I would actually use. And that's the other thing with the Scribble Prints Co. It was a misfit bag, so not everything I was going to like, but I like to grab bags like that, whether it's misfit or grab bags, just to get a little sample of the shop and see what it is that you like and what they have to offer. All right. Next up, we have Good Bros. These are not stickers, they're die cuts, but they're Steelers related. And of course, I have to do some Steelers spread in my memory planner this football season. So I'm gonna be doing a spread with these. We have the terrible towel, the emblem, the helmet, and then Juju and Ben Roethlisberger, because we don't really have a team on the Steelers, but that's a conversation for another day. Moving on. All right, next up we have GoldPaperPrints. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the kits. So this is her As If kit. I'm going to show the full boxes last. Okay, is it giving you vibes? Is it giving you vibes? Okay. Then we have the headers. And then bam, look at that. Look at this. I have to do this sometime. I don't know when I'm going to put this in my memory planner, but I'll do a plan with me with it. And then the other kit that I got is, oh, and these are the half boxes and labels sheet. So 4 sheets for that one. And then I got the self-love kit. So here are the full boxes. And then we have the washi strips, the headers, and then the quarter and half boxes. Then I got a whole bunch of icon sheets. This was the sampler that she sent. I pretty much used all of it. It's in my memory planner. So when I got my reusable sticker book, I had put all these stickers inside of it, and then they weren't sticking to the page, and then it just became a mess, and I got frustrated and threw them away. So I repurchased. Now these Gold Paper Print stickers were 60% off, so I did rack up. So these are all of the TV stickers. She does have a custom option. Alright, I zoomed in so you guys can see it better. So I have Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, Peacock, and Hulu. Who needs cable when you have all these streaming services? All right. I also got Target and Dollar Tree. And I also got this car sampler sheet, change tires, new brakes, get oil change, change wipers, and wash car. Then I have a post video one. Then there's also a get gas. Then this monthly one. And then these script ones. And I pretty much got them all in rainbow, minus this mentally exhausted one, which I feel quite a bit. So then we have binge watch, series finale, series premiere, I just realized that it said finale on it as well. Okay. Cuddle with my love. Therapy session. I got 2 of those. Sleep in today. Upload video. And treat yourself. And these I'll be adding to my sticker storage, and you guys can check out my what's in my planner bag video to see how I store my stickers. And then last but not least, we have the Goldmine CoCo. So if you are unfamiliar with Goldmine CoCo, I mean, Felicia, she comes with the bangers all the time. And this 90s collection knocked it out the park. So this is the Back to the 90s monthly kit. So there's some boxes here, header like. I mean, living single, really? Got Urkel over here, the late great Aaliyah, and then we have this little strip. So this will be the base for a spread. I could use it as a monthly, but I'm gonna use it for a 90s theme spread. Then of course we had to get the dolls. So I have Fresh Prince with Hillary and Ashley. We have A Different World. Okay, lots of options here. Martin and Gina. We have Poetic Justice with the Janet Jackson and Tupac. Then we have How the Story Ends. So these are classic movies. Yeah, we have Waiting to Exhale. Is that Love Jones? And that looks like Love and Basketball over there in the corner. All right, then we have Brandy, Cinderella, Hello, Hello. And then we have Sister, Tia and Tamara. Urkel, I mean, Family Matters, nostalgic. And then my favorite, Miss Toni Braxton and Aaliyah. And then we have a little quote sticker there. So this is called 90s R&B. I will have Goldmine CoCo linked below, along with my coupon code, Chaotic Critic, to save 10%. So that is it, y'all, for this sticker haul. I hope that you enjoyed. I need to now go put this away. I've been memory planning. I have a ASMR plan with me that I'm gonna do. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but we gonna see. I've really been inspired to do one. Oh, and of course, that's not all the stickers. I was about to say, where's the rest of the stack? There we go. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for more information on what I featured in this video, plus so much more planner inspiration. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.